Start by restarting the console. You can do this by holding down the power button for at least 3 seconds, then selecting power options followed by restart. If the console is not responding, you can perform a forced shutdown by holding the power button for 12 seconds. Once it's off, press the button again to turn the console back on. Next, make sure your console system software is up to date. Performing a system update can fix many underlying issues that may affect gameplay or console performance. Similarly, check for software updates for the specific game that is causing trouble, as patches often resolve bugs or compatibility problems. You should also check for corrupt data by navigating to the game's settings through the system menu. If any data is found to be corrupted, follow the on-screen instructions to fix or delete it. If the issue persists, consider deleting the problematic software and then re-downloading it from the Nintendo eShop. This can help if the original installation was incomplete or damaged. If you are using a micro SD card, the problem might be related to the card itself. Try formatting the micro SD card to eliminate any potential file system issues. If formatting doesn't help, you may need to replace the micro SD card with a new one. Alternatively, you can remove the micro SD card and download the game again, this time saving it directly to the console's system memory, which can bypass any faults related to the external storage.